Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is January the 7th, 2020, and I'm going to be planting some Calendula seeds today. I'm going to be doing the Touch of Red Buff and the Pink Surprise Calendula. So this is what Calendula seeds look like here, and you can see there's some other ones here in this pack here. And you can see there's some other ones here in this pack here. So, one thing I was reading, they say about 6 to 8 weeks to plant your seeds before your last frost. Now, I'm gardening in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B. And another thing I was reading was from a lady who is from Pennsylvania, and she was saying that she starts hers in February. Well, I decided to start mine in January out here in the greenhouse. And just gonna see what they look like. I want some really nice plants to be able to put out this year when the danger of frost is passed after Mother's Day. So we're gonna put these about 1/4 of an inch deep, and these take about 5 to 15 days to germinate. So I'm using the Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix. And I already have it mixed up. I have videos on my channel for how I mix my seed starting mix. And I'll put a link down in the description if I can find the seed starting mix that I use. Put this here. Just going to cover it up here. Go. So I'm going to finish planting my seeds here. I don't want to get my varieties mixed up. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I have these all planted here, and I'm just going to take my spray bottle here and I'm going to get it to work here again. There we go. And gently mist over the tops of these. And I'm going to put these on the floor with a loose covering over them. And when they germinate, I will come back and I'll show you what the seedlings look like. And these are the tags that I'm going to be using as soon as I put the camera down. I already kind of labeled these so I know which one's which. So we'll be back. Today is January the 12th, 2020, and on January the 11th my Pink Surprise Calendula seeds started germinating. So you can see one of the seedlings here. It pushed the seed coating off, and it's getting ready to open the leaves up there. And I have another one down here. This one here is the Calendula Touch of Red Buff, and this one here just started germinating today. So I'm taking these out of their little enclosed containers here, and I'm putting them out in the greenhouse itself. And what I don't want to happen is, if I let them in the enclosed container, they're going to get too warm and they're going to get tall and spindly, and it's not going to give me the best growth. So I'm just going to take them out here, and these should start germinating and coming up. It's possible that they're already germinating under the soil. I'm not going to dig around in the soil because I don't want to damage the seedlings if they would be sprouting and still be, under the soil, and I don't want to disturb the seeds. So I'm just letting them go here. And I can see the other one over here that I just took out. Now, as soon as these start getting their true leaves, I am going to start feeding them. I'm going to be using the Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food. I'm going to use 1/4 teaspoon to a gallon of water, and I'm going to feed these once a week. Now, you never want to feed a dry plant. You always want to make sure that your soil is nice and moist before you feed it. So as these continue to grow, I'll come back with more videos and I will show them to you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!